In this video, I am going to show you the light sensor with LED experiment. We require switch module, or else you can drop the switch module if you want to directly use the light sensor itself. So I am directly using the light sensor and LED module. Now let's give power supply to the light sensor. Here as mentioned, first pin is positive, which is connected to the positive of the battery, and the last or the third pin is for negative. So let's connect the light sensor negative to the battery negative. Now let's take the signal from the light sensor and give it to LED. Let's close the circuit by connecting LED negative to the ground. As you see, LED is glowing because there is a light on the light sensor. If I stop the light by using my thumb, LED is going to turn off. You can see that LED glow is decreasing as I close the light sensor with my thumb. This is how light sensor works.